Hello and welcome to Food My Dreams. Today, I'm excited to share with you a recipe for the most delicious sour cream sauce with cheese and pickles. To make this sauce, you'll need sour cream or yogurt, a couple of marinated pickles, about 50 grams of cheese, 2 teaspoons of mustard, a couple of cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. Finely chop or press the garlic and cut the pickles into small pieces. Grate the cheese on a fine grater. Then, mix all the ingredients together and enjoy the divine taste. This sauce is so versatile and delicious that you can use it practically anywhere. In the comments section below, we'll share a link to an incredibly tasty croissant recipe that uses this sauce. You won't be able to resist. Let us know in the comments what your favorite sauce is. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below. Enjoy your delicious life and see you in the next video.